Okay, if you're a Python dev, you use pip. But let's be real. Do you know how it works? Ugh, we've all been there. Your project suddenly breaks, and it usually starts with this one thing. Yep, welcome to the mess. Without a good tool, you're stuck trying to figure all this out yourself. And this exact pain is why pip exists. It gives you a standard way to handle packages. So what is pip officially? It's Python's standard package installer. It handles the whole process for you. Basically, it's how developers grab all those useful packages from places like PyPy. But here's the most important part. You gotta have the right mental model for it. Think of it like a pipeline. You tell it what you need, and it does the rest. And this way of thinking has two really crucial takeaways for how you should be working. So that simple pipeline, it takes that chaotic mess we started with and makes it manageable. And the difference is huge. What used to be a manual headache is now just handled. This level of control is why pip is considered absolute core infrastructure for any Python project.
Okay, but where does pip fit into the bigger picture of Python packaging?
It sits right here, acting as the bridge between packages getting published and you actually using them. And look, people don't love pip because it's flashy. It's loved because it's so foundational. It's the standard for a few key reasons. It's the default, and it plugs right into PyPy. But let's be honest, to really understand a tool, you have to know its trade-offs too. And these are some of the real-world trade-offs you'll run into. It's a balancing act.
Now, these aren't bugs or failures. They're just the reality of a massive, changing ecosystem.
So if you're going to remember one thing from all this, let it be this right here. Put simply, pip is the engine that turns your project's requirements into actual installed code. So now you get how it thinks. That means you can build more reliable software. So what's next?